In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track leads in ClickUp, Beginner CRM 2026. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. Sign into your account using your preferred method, email or a connected provider, and once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp home. From here, look to the left sidebar. This is where your spaces and projects live, and it's the control center for everything we're about to do. Find the space or folder you use for CRM or sales. If you already have one, perfect. Open it. If not, create one using a template so you don't have to build from scratch. Search the template library for sales, CRM or lead generation, choose a simple setup, and add it to your workspace. Open your CRM or sales area so we can start tracking leads. You'll likely begin in list view, which is great for structured data. Now let's customize this list so it behaves like a CRM. Add custom fields for the information you want to track, such as lead source, company, contact details, estimated value, next follow-up date, and owner. Include a stage field if it isn't there already, and keep statuses clean and minimal so the pipeline stays readable. Switch to board view to visualize the pipeline. Each column represents a stage, and you can drag leads forward as they progress. This makes it easy to spot bottlenecks and prioritize follow-ups. To bring leads into the system consistently, create a form that maps to the same custom fields. Share the form link or embed it on your site so every submission becomes a new task with all the right data filled in. Save this as a view so your team sees the same layout. Use filters to focus on open deals, sort by next follow-up date, and group by owner during team meetings to make handoffs obvious and reduce missed opportunities. To save time, add light automations. For example, when a task moves to in progress, assign it to a sales rep and set a due date. When a follow-up date arrives, trigger a reminder. You can also use ClickUp Brain to summarize call notes inside the task or draft a follow-up email you can personalize before sending. A few best practices for 2026. Start with a template. Keep statuses simple. New, in progress, closed won, and closed lost. And rely on your board and list views for clarity. As your process matures, refine fields and automations rather than adding clutter. That's it. You've turned ClickUp into a beginner-friendly CRM that helps you capture, organize, and move leads to a close with confidence.